My name is Kieran, and this is a song I wrote called Champagne and Dutch Gold. Romeo and Juliet, well, they were lovers till the end. But that's a tale I think I'd like to try forget, because it ends in tragedy with two grieving families forever trapped in the book. To tell the truth, I don't think that I'm too good for you. I could list a million reasons, more than one or two. Sometimes I wonder why you'd even stick around. Maybe it's love that we found. 'Cause you're champagne, I'm Dutch gold, the kind of love you'd watch unfold on a movie screen. Swear that I've seen this film somewhere before, but this one leaves me wanting more.